Hello! For today's video, I will cook pork adobo. Let's go! First step, nag-boiled ako ng eggs. Tapos, after 30 minutes or 1 hour, ito na siya, naluto na itlog. Ayan, may sumabog na itlog. Tapos, ayan, na-prepare ko na yung mga gagamitin sa pagluluto. Ito, let's start. I will put oil and then garlic and then the onion and then follow up the seasonings and then all the ingredients. And then I added the pork. Kinisa ko din siya, pinrito. And then waiting for the golden brown. And then I added the garlic, another garlic for the second batch ng garlic. And then the onion, the second batch para more flavor. And then the golden brown siya. And then I added the brown sugar to balance the taste. And then I added the leaves of laurel with the whole black pepper, the circle, not the powder. And then I added water para hindi siya masunog at lumambot ang pork. And then I waited for almost an hour para sure na malambot ang pork. And then I added the soy sauce to finalize the cook. And then I added some salt and then the magic syrup or the seasoning and then a little bit of mix and then the powdered black pepper. And then I added the vinegar. Pag na-add na yung vinegar, don't mix after 30 minutes or 1 hour so that ma-absorb na pork ang flavor. Ayan pala, ready ko lang yan kasi Sayang yung sili sa ibaba. Yun o, yung mga ingredients. Yun lang. Tapos, yan, eggs. And, ready na siya. And then for the last part, this is the boiled eggs I added for the final taste. Ayan na guys, nagmamantika na siya, kaya stop na ako dito. Luto na to. Thank you Lord sa blessing. Ayan, taste test. Tikman na natin. Ayan guys. Ayan, luto na siya. Sarap ng kain ko niyan. Yun lang. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching and have time for my video for today. Ayan. Medyo matigas pa yung pork sa part na yan. Kaya pinakuluan ko pa siya. Ayun, okay naman siya. Ayan, tinikman ko na talaga siya. Okay naman yung taste. Hindi siya masyadong maalat. Hindi din masyadong matamis. Sakto lang. Yun lang. Thanks for watching and don't forget to support my channels. Love you all. Bye!